Nicholas. Hey, Nicholas, you know what game this is, right?
Yup.
What?
Vampire Raid.
Yep. Okay, I'm gonna go first. Here we go. Hard drive. Yeah.
Stupid.
Shut up. This game's alright, but, how many feet? Hold on. Trial 2. Wow, this is really fucking boring.
I can't take this.
We need some good music.
We have music.
I'm not putting it on. Shut up.
Put it down, Emily.
Put it down. Shut up, man. You really get on my nerves.
Please start it.
Hey, already passed 53 seconds of the damn thing. Okay. Oh! I'm a black man! No, I'm not racist. Fuck you. Do some gun, baby. I'm gonna fuck you up. So where do I go?
Buddy was by.
Shh. Put it down. Okay, I guess I'm safe for now. Hey, Nicholas, you jealous that I'm better than you? You jealous?
I played this. This sucks.
Oh god, what? I died. You know, because of close to some turns, I don't know. Wait, where am I supposed to go again? Hold on, am I supposed to go up here?
Yep. Want the sniper? Or that?
I don't know. I don't see no. Wait. Nah, there's nobody. Hold on. So what? Wait, what's the main? What the hell is the main point of this freaking game when I can't do shit? Oh damn! I'm supposed to clear the rooftop, right?
Yo.
Oh my god.
You're a spy, so.
No, I'm a secret agent. This is some dumb shit right now.
See, you're lucky you stayed alive.
I don't. There's nobody even here. What are you talking? Go to hell.
You're the only one that lived.
Go to hell. Go to hell.
You're lucky I let you borrow this.
You my. Oh my god, you're a dumbass. You're a nigga.
Yeah, but I have my own Xbox.
No, you stop. You know what? Shut up.
This is not even my room. I have a
Shut up.
room.
Just shut up. There's nobody
Who's
even.
gonna stop me?
Shut the hell up.
Who's talking to you?
You. Oh god, I guess I gotta go with you.
You can't go now. You're stuck down there.
I don't see anybody. Who's gonna stop me? See, nobody's here. Hold on, let me get my dog again. Come on, nobody's here. Damn it! I'm
Hey, I'm gonna go take this.
Okay, niggas be right back, guys. You gotta take a dookie.
I said kiss.
Whatever. Hurry back. You have 1 minute. I don't see nobody. If I die, I get an extra turn.
Okay.
I'll play it for you if I die.
Okay.
Oh shit. I'm playing as you now. I fell off a building.
You're done.
I'm going somewhere else. Never mind. This place is worthless. Go find the black box. The black box. Right back. That's my mama. She talked to me.
First things first.
First things first, you gotta find the black box. Wait, I'm in here. Who beat this level? Somebody beat this level for me. Oh my god, wait. I think I already been here. Yeah, I've been here already. Did you start this over? You play this? Oh damn, I've been here before. What the hell?
Captain?
I'm listening, Hanson.
I just lost a life reading of one of the survivors.
I know. Harrison out. Take a look at this, Lloyd.
You're gonna get killed.
Yeah. Nobody's even here.
Stick with the mission, please.
Yo, the mission is to stay inside there.
I don't know. Ow. Told you nothing to do.
You know these vampires can jump higher than you?
Whoa. There's some weird stuff.
That's the lights. Everything that's red is an enemy.
I know that.
And there's an enemy right there.
I'm gonna kill it. Headshot, bitch. Wait, hold on. I'm trying to move. Ow. You're the right thing to do. What? One guy niggas is trying to be a pussy. He don't want to watch. Next is another. There will be another video, but niggas will not be in it. So of course, it's gonna be two best bros playing. Me and my buddy Sam will be playing. Two best bros play. Two best brothers. He's just gonna replace myself just for today, just for my video. If I die, I'm ending this video.
I found one dead member of the advance team.
Roger that.
Roger.
Roger
that.
Nowhere in sight. But there are signs of a struggle. Eric might have been killed by a Nightwalker. Kelly and I are going to take a look around. Lloyd, you keep looking for those bodies.
Yes, sir.
Check it out. Check it out. Well, I can see. It's all blurry and stuff. La, 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 la. Oh my god, I'm freaking bored. You know what? I'm doing. Wait. Damn the world. I'm still a virgin. Mother.